Hello there, back to update days right now. Looking at active QLCS as active, pretty well-defined MCV right there. Mesoscale vortex, convective vortex, and right now we have severe thunderstorm warning. 60 miles per hour winds is possible within this more QLCS structure. And this is really within the remnants of what was Fred, and again, 60 miles per hour winds is possible with that. And for the south, we have a supercell active and mini supercell. Radar indicated rotation is with that. And right now we also have a slight risk across portions of the mid-Atlantic and also across portions of Utah today. So right now we have severe thunderstorm warning as well, and tornado watch across portions in the northeast, severe thunderstorm watch across portions of Utah. So right now active. Again, this is more of a monsoon. We've been seeing some flash flooding along with it. 6 miles per hour winds is possible with that. Quick severe weather, and then on day 2, we're looking at another slight risk across portions of the Central Plains, even head into the High Plains states, and also a marginal risk across portions of southern New England for 2% tornado, and then 15% wind across, and 15% wind, 50% hail across portions of the Midwest. Day 3, we have another one across portions of the upper Midwest, Central Plains as well, heading down to Texas and Oklahoma. 15% probabilistic, but all hazards seem to be on the line. I wouldn't be surprised actually if there's an upgrade to enhanced risk right now, especially with the But anyways, we're gonna be heading. We'll be shifting gears. Probably now tropics. Right now, Henry still active. It's gonna gonna need to be monitored as we could be seeing a potential U.S. landfall again. Across portions of southern New England. Right now, the recent cone takes it just has across portions of the western portions of the cone, seeing southern New England mostly in it, but a lot of uncertainty still within day 4 and 5, and it's going to take some time for it to be resolved. That's why the cone's so big, but it's expected to be strengthened to a hurricane by around 2 a.m. Friday, and maintain that until probably throughout Sunday evening or the Sunday night. It's expected to lose it, become a tropical storm. That's right now the latest cone from the National Hurricane Center, and heading off to Grace. Hurricane Grace actually got upgraded, and reconnaissance actually found evidence to upgrade it to a hurricane status. Right now, hurricane warnings are in effect across portions of the Yucatan, and again, tropical storm warnings as well. But tropical storm warning watches are still active across portions of Cuba, and expect to make a landfall. Current winds around 80 miles per hour. 80 miles per hour. Then further intensification is possible, but again, it's gonna go off the coast of to the Gulf of Campeche, and again, it's gonna re-strengthen to a hurricane by around probably early afternoon on Friday, and then make landfall probably as also the same as a hurricane around Saturday night, and lose. Then become a depression by the time it reaches 2 p.m. Saturday, and then by 2 p.m. Sunday, it's gonna be remnant low as it's gonna be nearing the Pacific Ocean. We'll see if it even chances of it redeveloping the Eastern Pacific right now is really low, so nothing really to worry about that end. Looking at the Eastern Pacific, we still have Linda active, still hurricane status. 100 miles per hour winds actually is actually strengthened from last night. It's still going to expect to maintain hurricane status through Thursday morning, and Thursday night's expected to lose it as it's going to be going over cooler waters, and again, it's going to be slowly weakening, and by the time it reaches 8 a.m. Saturday morning, it's going to be more than likely by then post-tropical, and probably will continue to weaken, and by 8 a.m. Monday, as it reaches across portions in northern Hawaii, it's going to be probably gone by then. But still, it's been a pretty interesting fish storm to say the least, and yeah, anyways, moving on to the Western Pacific. Right now we have remnants of Tropical Depression 16W. So right now, looking at that, still has a high chance. Now has a high chance of developing, and it's expected to redevelop, and we'll see how that goes. But apart from that, that's really it, and goodbye.